Before we get into it, if inflation is hitting your wallet and you're ready to earn more without working more, grab my free guide, Fast Track Your Fortune, 15 Businesses to Launch Online Success. It's loaded with low cost, high income business ideas you can start immediately. Link is in the description or in my bio below. Listen, groceries are up. Rent or mortgage is insane. Your paycheck, still the same. Inflation isn't slowing down, and if you're feeling the squeeze, you're not alone. Hi, visionaries. I'm Heather Williams, founder of Vision to Venture, and today I want to show you how to beat inflation by launching a low cost business that can generate real income fast. This isn't about quitting your job tomorrow, it's about creating your own economic safety net, even if you're starting with nothing. Let's talk about the inflation trap. Right now, people are working more hours just to afford the basics. But here's what the wealthy do differently. They create income streams that grow, even as prices grow. You don't need a storefront, loans, or inventory to start a business today. You need three things: a problem you can solve, a way to package your solution, a service, offer, a product, and a way to deliver it online, like email, Zoom, PDF. You get the point. Here are some examples. You can start a coaching business or a mentoring business, $250 a month subscription service, $47 digital guide that sells while you sleep, or 300 design or branding packages. Imagine selling just 5 of those a month. That's rent, groceries, gas, covered. In my Income Accelerator program, I show you how to create, launch your first income generating offer in just 30 days. It's simple, it's lean, it's built for real people who are tired of waiting. If inflation is getting to you, meanwhile, if those tariffs are getting for you, this is how you fight back. Tap the link below to join now, and don't forget, download your free guide, Fast Track Your Fortune, to explore business ideas that are inflation proof and income smart. It's your next best step, and the link is right below this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.